We have lived in this house for 10 years now. Everything was old. Everything was in pretty terrible shape.
Justin has started another project.
We tackled the biggest thing first, so we started with the kitchen.
The kitchen did take 6 months to complete. After the kitchen, we decided to start tackling other projects.
We have a floating staircase. Jess hated that there was carpet on the stairs. She decided to pull it off. Then I had to finish it. And I really didn't know what I was doing. I love the house because I love the neighborhood. I like that it's not like every other house.
We actually rented this house first. Then we had the opportunity to buy it. So here we are. Hi, Jasmine. Come in.
Thank you. Hi.
Thanks for coming over.
No problem. Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. Hi.
So
Thanks.
glad you're here.
Yeah. Okay, well, I just want to see everything. You guys can show me around today.
Okay.
And I just want to get a feel for all the projects that you've started that you've kind of given up on.
Yeah.
You guys, what happened here?
We took out the old door and I put in a new one.
What about the fireplace? Do you use that regularly?
We do definitely use it on occasion when it's really chilly. I don't necessarily think it's the safest fireplace.
My concern is that you have, this is your firebox.
Yes.
Right next to wood, which is a combustible material. So if you have a fire right now, this goes up in flames, which means your whole house goes up in flames.
The worst that's gonna happen, we've got fire extinguishers.
Oh my gosh, that's not good. When we have family come stay, this is the bathroom that they use.
This doesn't look like much of a bathroom. You can't use this.
No.
No. Honestly, it's embarrassing.
I also built the stairs up here.
They were originally completely wrapped in carpet.
Like each piece of wood.
Yes.
But what I didn't do was put the connecting rod to everything back in. So these things,
Oh my gosh.
It's not safe.
I know that they're wobbly. I guess it's style over safety.
I can't tell if it's more of a concern for me.
As long as nothing catastrophic happens, I think I'm okay with it.
There's different levels of good enough, right? So if you install tile and it's crooked and you're like, oof, it's not exactly what I wanted, but it's good enough. With a staircase, it is a safety issue. And I think that in Justin's mind, this is good enough, but it's not.
Definitely something needs to be done to make them a lot more secure.
So we're going this way?
Yes.
Okay, is this the bathroom here?
This is the bathroom. This is my space with the kids.
I mean, I can't help but notice if you're sitting on the toilet,
It's just bad design.
the toilet has to move. The thought on this bathroom is what?
It is a small space and the space could be utilized better.
This is one of those areas that she probably wants the most that I've been reluctant to touch. In this area, we're completely lost.
Justin likes industrial design.
I like spa and calming.
Yeah, this is the opposite. All right, you mentioned there's one more room up here to look
One
at.
more room. Last but not least, this is the kids' room.
Oh, this is cute.
It used to be an office. We turned it into the kids' room, and it's just really hard to figure out how to utilize the space.
There's no place for storage. There's no place to put toys, no closet for the kids' clothes.
The good news is it's a big room.
Yes,
What's on the other side of this wall?
our closet.
Our closet.
So we have 2 closets in our room. We're like, do we take part of our closet and make it the kids' closet?
Okay. What is your overall budget for this project?
95 is where we need to be.
Okay. I will protect your budget as though it's my own. You have such an interesting story with this house, but it doesn't seem like you've ever really had that pride of ownership.
No, we still feel like we're living in a rented house.
It's kind of gotten to a point where I don't want people to come as often.
Coming home and not being reminded every night that there's something that's unfinished in the house will probably make our relationship a little bit better.
I will make sure that we get everything safe, first and foremost, right? That when you come back to your house, you don't have all of these outstanding projects. You don't feel like your house is under construction.
That would be amazing. Sounds like a vacation.
Y'all have a lot of stuff to move out of this house. so that we can get in here and get started.
You don't help with that?
No. All right, let's get to it. Jess and Justin will be staying with his family, which is a big move to do with young kids, but it'll mean the end of unfinished projects for them. This is a fix-it job. I mean, at the end of the day, they really haven't started and completed a single project on this house. The first thing we need to fix is the front door. The entryway is the first impression you get of the house, and Jess and Justin were so close. They did all the legwork. They just didn't do that final step to finish it up. This feels like progress.
This would have been pretty easy for them to fix, right? Fill with the spackle, sand, paint, done.
Jess and Justin aren't alone in this. We all have projects around our house that we started and haven't finished, right? Like,
Oh yeah.
at some point, they start to add up. They didn't know how to move forward.
Right.
Justin and Jess are self-employed, so any spare moment they have, they're spending them with their kids, meaning they're not working on their house. And as someone who runs their own business, I totally get that. Before we get to add in any of the fun design details into this bathroom, we have to make sure that the construction is taken care of. So we have to make sure everything's waterproofed, the plumbing is done, and the drywall. Wow, looks like Justin was here.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it looks like he came in over the weekend and put these plates
Wait.
on.
Solid.
Yeah, they're good. They're on there.
It doesn't move at all. He liked that it was just these pieces without like a cross piece. These are on there.
They are.
Go, Justin, go. I like it. We stripped the fireplace down and gotten rid of Justin's DIY fix.
All right.
The floors are the next step to finishing this project. To make this into a less cold and uninviting space, we're adding LVP, luxury vinyl plank, throughout the entire main floor, including the kitchen. These are gorgeous, by the way. Like,
Pretty,
I love
right?
the way that the color is going to warm everything up. Really, this is gonna make the room look longer.
Right.
If we go this direction. Okay, good. That's easy.
Easy one.
By using some of the leftover tile from Justin's bathroom on the fireplace, we're able to save some money, but also this fireplace, it's now safe, it's ready to be used.
What do you think?
Wow. So these are the prefab cabinets.
Exactly.
Simple.
We actually have 4 cabinets on each side and this beautiful custom piece in the center.
Yeah. I have this color here.
Okay.
It's not black because I feel like black would be really stark, and I think that we want it to be a little bit warmer.
Yeah.
But it does still feel dark, which I think Justin will really appreciate.
It's cool.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if I've ever been more excited about a set of cabinetry, like ever. This is awesome. Thank you.
All right.
Look at this built-in. Oh my gosh. Wall to wall. Go to storage. This bathroom is coming together, and being able to install the fun stuff, right? The jewelry of this bathroom is so important. Shower glass is one of those things that a lot of my clients honestly struggle with. They don't know where to have a fixed panel, where to have a door, how tall it should be, what color the hardware should be. I mean, there's a lot of variables that go into shower glass, but it really does finish the bathroom.
Voila.
Nice. Yes. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking.
What?
Paint is a lot.
I don't know. It makes me happy. I'm liking it right now.
Oh, good. Okay. Me too. I love designing kids' rooms because you get to have a whimsical design eye. So it's really fun to tap into your inner child and just do something different. We have a mid-century modern kids bed. I'm really excited about it because it matches the tones of wood that Justin installed already on the stairs. It all works together. For this project, we had a bit of an uphill battle. When you don't see eye to eye with your partner on design decisions, that can be really challenging. And then you couple that with unfinished projects, safety concerns. I mean, this house, it was not the home that Jess and Justin were hoping for when they purchased it. And today, that all changes. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Welcome home. How are you guys feeling?
So excited.
Nervous. I don't know what to expect when I walk into the house.
I'm just excited to live here again.
Aww. When you first moved into this house, you were renters. You started a lot of projects, and you just didn't have the time to finish those projects or even start new ones. There's no more projects for you to work on or for you to worry about.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Let's go see this.
Oh, okay, fine. Are you ready?
Yes.
You're ready?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead inside.
Oh my God.
It looks so good.
This looks amazing.
I'm gonna cry.
Don't cry. Oh,
It looks so good.
it looks finished.
I love how bright it is in here.
Oh, wow. Oh my
I
God.
love it. Yeah? Yeah. I just feel like in shock, like this is our house. It feels just more cozy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love the floors. I love the color. Love the living room. This was what I was most excited about.
Justin, you started us out. You built this area. Initially, it was like records and books, things that
Yep.
you're going to see.
Yep.
But really, you guys needed storage for things you don't want to see.
Yes.
So we started and went wall to wall, the whole room,
Yeah.
to give you more storage than I would argue you're ever going to use.
This is perfect.
This is so cool. It's like hidden and it's not just like in your face. It's a lot more welcoming.
You were able to bring, your skill set to your staircase.
No moving.
Nothing.
No movement.
Wow. Which, for a staircase, we have learned that stairs need to be solid.
It's
We don't
nice that
have to
they're
worry
sturdy.
about people going up and down them anymore.
Right. The big question mark when we started this was the fireplace. So
It looks so good. I love the tile color.
I know I pushed you to keep this fireplace a little
Yes,
bit.
and I'm happy. It would have made this house look sad. I mean, this is definitely a focal point. I feel like it sets the vibe.
You were right. It looks better.
You can use your fireplace, and I think that that's just that peace of mind that you've never had in this home.
I'm so happy that we got to keep it.
Do you want to go see your bathroom?
Yes.
Go ahead, let's do it.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Looks so good.
This is amazing.
I love all the
floor
colors.
tiles. I love the mirrors and the lighting. Put in this nice little thing just so I had lights. Something that was left in the alley. Wow.
Look at the shower. It looks bigger.
Well, that looks so good.
It looks so good. I love it. It doesn't even look like the same bathroom.
I love the brass. I love the colors. I love the color with the brass.
Okay, what do we think?
I absolutely love it.
Okay, so this isn't the only bathroom. Do you want to see your bathroom?
Yes.
All right, come on.
I can't wait.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh my gosh. I love it.
This is gorgeous.
It looks so good. It feels like surreal right now. I love this sink and the vanity. I love everything. I've been wanting two sinks for so long, so I'm like, yay.
This room, we didn't change the walls,
Yeah.
but we changed everything. It feels much bigger now
Yeah.
that all the pieces are in place.
I love how open it is.
I like how we've got bath
I like
and
this
shower.
too. I love the design that you chose. I definitely wouldn't have thought of this. It's gonna be so perfect with the kids.
Well, I like that you can actually go to the bathroom without getting hit.
Yes.
Somebody comes through the door.
Okay, so there is one more room. Before, you had that room as an office, And then it transitioned to a kid's room, but not from a design standpoint, really.
No, we tried, but
I don't think that's the case anymore.
I know, I'm excited.
All right, come on, let's go check it out.
Oh my God, it's so cute.
Oh my.
I didn't even know what to expect, but I love it. Ah! There's a closet.
Now it's a real bedroom.
Oh my gosh. It's a lot more spacious than I envisioned. It's perfect.
The kids are gonna love it.
Yeah.
Do you see the lights over each bed? So when we're reading to the kids,
We read to them every night.
The idea behind this room is that they're sharing a room,
Yes.
but we didn't want it to feel like they were sharing a room, like they still have their own space. This room now, to me, feels like a kid's room.
I love it.
So cute. Aw, I'm so glad you liked it.
Oh.
it feels like a home now and not just a place to lay our heads.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You did a fantastic
Oh,
job.
thank you. Okay, I can't wait for the kids to see
I know.
See you. Enjoy. Bye.
Bye. Go in.
After seeing the amazing job that everybody did, this has been a big weight off of both of our shoulders.
It feels very refreshing to not have a house to-do list. I am excited that we can make new to-do lists that are more based on adventures and doing fun things with the kids.
Yeah.